Hey, today we're going to be talking about how you can create a digital sticker store in Etsy so you can start to create passive income for yourself. If we haven't met before, I'm Lorraine. I am the CEO of Step Up Boss Up Society, and I am here to talk to you about entrepreneurship, making passive income, and your mindset. So let's get going. Stickers are extremely popular on Etsy. In fact, having done a search on eRank, which is a keyword research tool you can use for Etsy, I know that stickers are ranked as part of the top 20 most searched items month after month. So starting a sticker store is a no-brainer. There are three types of stickers you can sell on Etsy. There are physical stickers, there are printable stickers, and there are digital stickers. Now, digital stickers and printable stickers are pretty similar. The only difference with digital and printable is that printable stickers tend to be laid out in a sticker sheet format, so it's easy for people to just download and print out all the stickers on a sticker sheet. Other than that, there's not much difference between them. So once you know how to create stickers, you can start creating both digital and printable stickers in your store. Now, just in case you think and you don't think that this might be a good opportunity, I wanted to take you through a couple of stores that are doing really well when it comes to selling stickers. Now, this store, DPC Digitals, they sell stickers and planners, and they sell different things. But if you look at their stickers, these are all digital stickers that they're selling, and look at how many people have got them in their baskets. Extremely popular items. Then we have another store here. This store, DigiSparks, these are how many sales they've had, and these are all the stickers that they've got that they're selling in their store, and these again are digital stickers. And another store here, Holy Cozy. Now this one I wanted to show you because they are pretty brand new store. They've only started this year. So if we scroll all the way down, we can see what year they started. So they started this year. They've had 969 sales, and they sell both stickers and planners. So there's still stickers, planners, and notebooks. But again, they're doing really, really well. And then you've got this store here that is basically doing extremely well as well. Look at how many stickers people have in their baskets, and they're charging something really low. This is ridiculously low for just stickers, but you can charge more for your stickers. But how do you do this? How do you start to learn how to create digital stickers? Now, of course, you can come here on YouTube and search how to create stickers in Canva, how to create stickers in Affinity Publisher, and it will teach you some of the basics on how to create your first stickers. However, if you really want to go pro and you really want to have a store that is actually going to make money instead of a store that's just going to be dead weight and after 3 years have only made 2 or 3 sales, you need to invest in yourself and actually invest in a course that's going to teach you not just how to create the stickers, but also how to set up your store, how to price your products, and how to market your stickers in your store. And that is why I wanted to talk to you today, because I've got a really great course that I took and I love, and that has taught me how to create stickers, and it's basically a sticker business in a box. It's called Creating Digital Stickers course, and it literally takes you step by step through the entire process of creating stickers and creating your own store to actually launch your stickers. So it takes you through the planning process, it takes you through all the basic shapes, how to create all the basic shapes, quote post-it stickers, quote stickers, picture frames, widgets, photo stickers, charms, and it gives you tutorials on how to use digital stickers. And it also comes with sticker templates. So you could literally, if you wanted to start really quickly, you could literally go into sticker templates, download those, follow the lessons within the sticker templates module, and you will be able to create your stickers and get them up on Etsy selling pretty much within a weekend. And why I love this particular course is because it also comes with how to package your stickers and how to market your stickers. And it also gives you loads of different bonus resources to help you with your sticker business. Or if you want to do a digital planner business with your sticker, it gives you some tips on that as well. This this is a really great course to invest in. Now, if you didn't want to invest in the entire course and you just wanted to get the sticker template, you can get that too. Just below in the descriptions, I'm going to give you the link to both this course and to the templates, because Michelle, who teaches this course, actually also delivers templates as well. So you can just buy the templates, and in the templates pack, she does teach you how to use your templates, how to modify your templates to make them your own, to make them unique, so you can go out and create your stickers and create your digital sticker store in Etsy and start selling quickly. So if that's of interest to you, just scroll down to the bottom and you can just click the link in the description box and it will take you straight to the page for more information on how to start a digital sticker business.